Hey everyone! If you're into smart DIY upgrades and home tips, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top kitchen faucet trends for 2025 that are transforming kitchens everywhere. Let's get into it. Trend 1. Touchless and smart faucets. First up, touchless and smart faucets. These motion sensor faucets are more popular than ever in 2025. Not only are they super hygienic, but many now come with voice controls, app integration, and even water-saving features. Trend 2. Matte black and brushed gold finishes. Coming in strong this year are bold finishes like matte black and brushed gold. These add serious luxury and contrast to modern kitchens. No more boring, chrome-only looks. Trend 3. Pull-down and spray combo designs. Function meets style with pull-down sprayer faucets. 2025 models are sleeker, stronger, and easier to use, making dishwashing faster and less frustrating. Trend 4. Eco-friendly water-saving tech. Water conservation is huge this year. Faucets with built-in flow limiters and eco-mode features help reduce water use without sacrificing performance. Great for your wallet and the planet. Trend 5. Industrial style and bridge faucets. For a bold chef's kitchen vibe, industrial style and bridge faucets are making waves. Think exposed coils, pot fillers, and old school charm, all modernized for today's kitchens. Which faucet trend is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on home tips, faucet installs, and plumbing fixes, straight to your feed every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.